In this lesson, I will explain to you while loop versus if statement. I will show you what is the difference between the while loop and the if statement. So first of all, we will discuss if statement, which we have discussed in detail in the previous lessons as well. But again, I am going to explain you. So see here, I have mentioned in this block, in draw block, if mouse X is greater than 250, then the background of the canvas should be the combination of these three colors. And you know very well now, the first one is red, and this is green, and this is blue. So this is the combination of these three colors. Here I have mentioned in the comment that if statement gives result only whether it is true or false, or 0 and 1. If this condition is true, do this, otherwise do this, right? So if condition will run, it could run 0 time or it could run 1 time. Now what is the meaning of this mouse X? So see, if the canvas, suppose this is our canvas, right, and the canvas is 500 in this case, see width, and this is the height. So, and suppose this is the center, 250. I say when my mouse, this is my mouse, when my mouse value will be greater than 250 pixels, change the color of this canvas. And if it is less than 250, it should be grayish type, because here I have mentioned 100. So again, you know that color varies from 0 to 255. So I will run this for you, and then I said then there should be one line as well on the canvas to show you the 250 pixels. Okay, we will paste this scenario here and run it. So what is my condition? If mouse X is greater than, see my mouse is here now, and this portion is less than 250. So as soon as my mouse will be greater than 250, so see this line represents 250. If it is greater than 250, the color will change. If it is less than, it is grayish type because it is 100. Right? So this is the if condition. If could run 0 time or 1 time. Now move on to the while. So the while loop runs, the while loop runs 0 to infinity times. Maybe it could run 0 time or 1 time or 2 time and so on. So see here, this programming I have written for the while loop. If X is equal to 0, while, right, like in the parenthesis I have written X is less than width. So this while loop will continue to run unless or until this condition will be false. So I will show you, it will start from 0. So because here I said X is equal to 0, 0 is less than, what is the width? 500. This is true and false. This is true. If this is true, okay, I will write down this part here. X is equal to X plus 20. Then move to the increment, right? So this X value is 0 plus 20, which is equal to 20. So the new value of X is 20. Again, 20 is less than 500. If it is true or false, this is true. So then move to this part, right? So now the new value of X is 20 and the increment is 20. So 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. So the new value of X is 40. Now 40 is less than 500. It is true or false? This is true again. So move on to the third part. 40 plus 20, which is equal to 60, and so on. So this while loop will continue to run unless or until this condition becomes false. Now you will say how this condition will false, right? Suppose you will continue this loop, and here now the value of X is 480. Again you have to add 20 right after this. So it is 500. So I say 500 is less than 500. So see, now this is false because this is equal to 500, but it is not less than 500. If it is false, then you cannot move to the increment. So it will stop, your while loop will exit or break, you can say. So it could run 0 time, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, up to infinity times, right? If it is infinity time, the system will crash because it will never stop. So I will run this program for you and you will see the lines on the canvas. Okay, so see, I am going to run this. See, now what is the meaning of these circles? So see here, if it is less than width, the first condition, the fill color is red. So this is red, blue, green, blue. So this is red, stroke is red, and then there should be an ellipse. So first ellipse, then 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. So the second ellipse will be on the 40 pixels on x-axis and 200 on y-axis, then 60 pixels, then 80, then 100, and so on. So it will continue unless or until this condition will be false. So this is the while loop. Now the same scenario, everything is same. I'm just going to change it with if. So I will show you if I will use if. I told you in if condition you will get 0 or 1. So see, means if, what it says, if x is less than width, so x is 0, 0 is less than 500. So just go here and then it will be 0 to 20. So you will get only one ellipse. But while loop will continue unless or until this condition, the Boolean expression would be false. Okay, move on to the next slide, and here again I will show you the concept of a while loop. So here I say, suppose I want a line, I want a vertical line on my canvas. So here I said x is equal to 25. For first line should be on the 25 pixels. Suppose this is 25 pixels here. So here I have written this programming. I will copy this and I will paste this for you. So you will see there is one line. Why it is red? Because I have given this stroke 255. Right? Suppose I need one more line. This is 25 pixels. Now I need another line on 50 pixel. So what you have to do? Here I have written, you have to write down again x is equal to 50 and then make a line. So okay, we will copy this and I will run for you, and then you will see there will be two lines and the spacing between two lines are 25, 25. If I say I need 4 or 5 or 6 lines, right? What you have to do? Okay, so we will copy this and I will paste it here. Now I will make this 75. I need one line and 75 pixel, the fourth line 100 pixels. So when I will run this, you will see there will be 4 lines. I want many lines until or unless it touches the width. So what you have to do, how many times you will write down the line command x is equal to 125, then line x is equal to 150 and line. So here we will use the for loop, right? Because it is time consuming. So here we will use the while loop. So see here I have written this while loop here. X will start from 25 while x is less than width, right? Then there should be a this line and the increment should be by 25, starting from 25 and 25 it should be 50. So I will run this for you. So see, the while loop makes the life easy. We will copy this here and run it. So you will see all the lines are there, right? In the last slide we were writing too many lines, but here just use the while loop. So while x is less than width, draw this line, after that exit or break the loop. So this is for the vertical lines for x, right? Suppose if we need the horizontal lines as well, so the same thing, same while loop you have to use, same thing for the y axis here. I have written this for you. I will copy this But one more thing, that you have to declare and initialize the y variable as well here. So here I am going to copy this and run. So you will see vertical line and horizontal line by using the while loop. Otherwise you have to write down 100 lines, 100 times these command you have to write down, right? So here we are using the while loop. So while loop run, it could run one time, two time, or infinity times. Okay, now one more thing. Suppose if we need gap, because in the last slide I was using the gap 25, that is why it says add plus 25 plus 25, right? All these lines are, the spacing between these lines are 25 pixels. If you want to change the spacing, right, or gap, so what you have to do, same thing, you have to make a new variable, and you can write down a space or spacing. I said gap is equal to 25. So instead of 25 here, instead of 25, just write down the word gap. Use the name of the variable, whatever variable you are going to make. Okay, so here I will copy this and I will run for you. So see, the same thing is there. Now if in future, suppose you said, oh, there should be a spacing between the lines 40 pixel. So just make it pixel 40 here. There is no need to write down 40 here, 40 here, because we are using the variable name here. So run this. See, this is the 40 pixels. Now change this. If you want 20 pixels, 30 pixels, 40, 10 pixels, okay, try one more time with 10 pixels. So if I will say 10 pixels, there is no need to change at the bottom. These are the grid for the 10 pixels. The spacing between these are 10. Now gap, see here, the last thing is gap is equal to how you want to show, write your lines, gap plus random. And random function we have learned so many times. Here I am going to use random. So copy this. Now what will happen to your grid if I will paste here? So your grid will be, or your pattern will be like this. This is random between -1 and 1. So you can change it and try, make it -3 to 3, positive 3. And so because here gap, whatever is the gap, plus random, right? So in this lesson you have learned the difference between the if statement and the while loop. If statement could run one time, zero time, or one time, while the while loop will run, it could run one time, two time, three time, or up to infinity time, right? So practice this. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.